Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a plus size Shein try on haul for you. I got a bunch of new stuff from Shein, and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in that, especially since I am a plus size girl. So I know that I always look to YouTube to try and find some plus size try on hauls to see kind of what looks good on similar body types to mine. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. Hey guys, so this first little outfit that we're going to talk about is a little romper, and it is so cute. I absolutely love it. I will say I do not have the proper bra for any of these. I need a strapless bra with a lot of these items that I picked up, so just ignore that. My strapless bra does not fit me any longer since having babies, so I need to get a new one of those. But I really enjoy this. I think it's so super cute. I like the little sash, and it comes off as well. But I like it with it on. I think it looks really, really cute. And the back is super cute as well. It's just like, it doesn't have any crisscrossing or anything like that, but I really like it. It fits really well, and it's really comfortable. So the top material, I'm not sure if you guys can really see it, but the top material is just like a cotton, and then the bottom is almost like, see, I'm definitely not a fashion vlogger, that's for sure. It's like kind of like dress shirt material. Is that a thing? But yeah, it's really, really cute. They had this in a bunch of different color options, and I really like the way that it looks on me. It's so nice and cool for the summer, and I like the buttons also. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing you this tank top, this really nice flowy tank top, as well as these high-rise denim shorts. Also, I will say really quickly that the jumper that I just had on was in a size 2X. This shirt that I'm wearing is a size 2X, and my denim shorts are a 3X. So first of all, about this shirt, I really like how flowy it is. Helps to hide the belly. And it's just like a plain cotton shirt. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and the back is just straight across. And then with the denim shorts, I love the length. I think they're like a perfect length because it helps with, you know, that chub rub issue. So you can actually walk and they don't ride up, which is amazing. And then they also go really high as well. Like, this is over, my belly button is like right here. So it definitely helps to hold everything in and keep everything kind of packed in there tight. You're not getting like a bunch of loose gapping or anything at the back. And it's so hard for me to show you guys. But there's a butt shot as best as I can get it. So I really like them. They're very comfortable. They're stretchy. And overall, this is a really nice, comfy summer outfit. Nice and loose. Okay, you guys, so next we're going to talk about this adorable shirt. I love it so much. It's this colorful cheetah print. I'm wearing the same jeans as I had on last time, and I'm going to wear them for a couple more shirts as well. But the thing that I love the most about this shirt is the back. I'm going to try to get as good a picture as I can of it. So it like crisscrosses in the back. It is so pretty. And this one is a size 3X. It is very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. It is a little bit larger in the bust area for me and a little bit tighter here. But once again, I'm wearing those shorts that kind of like suck everything in. So I do feel comfortable in it, which is nice. The next shirt is this simple t-shirt that says Mom Life on it, and it's green. It's very comfortable. It's just a plain cotton t-shirt. I believe I did actually order this one in a 3X, but it came in a 2X, which is fine. It does fit, but I kind of wanted that like really loose look, but it does still fit, and it is comfortable, and it's just a plain t-shirt in the color green. Once again, they had a bunch of different color options as well for this. Okay, so this is the next outfit, and these are some really cute little dress shorts that have these little cutouts in them. They are so cute. They are very comfortable. This is a size 2X, and they once again are high rise, which is really nice, and they're like a dress shirt material. And then this shirt, this is my favorite pattern. As you can tell, I match my scarf there. But yeah, it's got a button here, so you could undo it if you want to be a little bit risky, or if you have a cute little undershirt that you want to poke out. And it has this crossing detail here. The sleeves are a little bit puffy up here, which I really love. I think it's super cute. And I just love how, once again, it's like flowy as well. So hides the tummy. And I got this shirt in a 2X. Very, very cute. I love it. It really this outfit really matches like my whole aesthetic here in this bedroom. I really like it. Okay, next is this off the shoulder shirt. And I thought this was like a cotton material. I was kind of disappointed. It's more of like it's definitely not cotton material. Let's see if I go focus here. Yeah, it's definitely not cotton material. It's more like a sheer kind of material. But it is very comfortable. It's nice and cool, and it goes off the shoulder. And once again, it did come in a bunch of different colors. I will say this is probably my least favorite of everything that I got. I'm not really sure. There's something about the fit of it that I don't really care for that much. And it kind of like the fabric is kind of clingy, so maybe if I got a bigger size, but even then, like, it's pretty loose. So I don't know, like, it probably would have been way too big up here if I would have got a bigger size. But I just recommend to really read all of the reviews on everything that you're looking at, because even like for sizing and everything, like this one, I got a 2X in it. Some of the tops I am a 3X. So it kind of depends on what the reviews say. I won't buy anything from there if there is no review on it. And also, I do want to mention, I've heard a lot of talk about like fast fashion and stuff like that. And one thing I will say about that is that I very rarely buy new clothes for myself. And when I do, like, I am wearing clothes now that I've had for probably 6-7 years, even longer. So even though I might be buying like cheaper options, I keep my clothes for a really long time. So I feel like that kind of helps. Maybe I'm completely wrong and you guys are going to sound off on me in the comments about this, but I don't know. I plan on keeping these clothes. I will have them for a long time. So next is this sweater. I absolutely love the color of it, but I do wish I would have grabbed a bigger size. This one is a 2XL, and I wish I would have grabbed it in a bigger one just because I would really like that really loose, oversized feeling of it. And I'm just kind of disappointed that it's so short. I really hate like cropped things, and I feel like this is cropped unless I'm like pulling it down. So yeah, I kind of wish that I would have grabbed a bigger size in it, but I love the color and I love how soft it is. So it's definitely one of my favorites. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some pajamas that I got, and I absolutely love these. You guys, this material is so soft. I'm not sure what it is, but it is so soft. And these pajamas are so cute. I think they're in the loungewear section, but I just am using them as pajamas. And this is in a 2X, very comfortable, perfect size, fits great. Once again, high-rise shorts, which is really nice. And everything doesn't like ride up as you walk, once again, which is great. So these ones are very, very comfy and really cute. As you guys can tell, I really love this pattern. Okay, so next I typically wear this without a bra. This is just a simple black nightie. It is a cotton fabric and it has some lace detailing on it, which is really, really comfy and cozy. This is in a size 2X. It's got the lace that goes all the way under the bust and around and all the way in the back. So it is very, very pretty. And it is just so comfortable, you guys. Like, it's cotton and it's just so nice and light and cool for summer. I am definitely a hot sleeper, so I like having cooler pajamas. Really, really nice. Okay, and the last thing is this little nightie that's got cherries all over it. It is so cute. I love it so much. And once again, it has the lace detailing on it. This is like, I don't know if I just need a bigger size. Like, it feels like it fits me okay. But like the lace kind of is at a weird spot. I feel like it should be lower a little bit. But either way, it is really pretty and the lace extends all the way around. This one is a little bit shorter as well, but once again, very flowy and very comfortable, very light for summer. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that I was able to inspire you to grab yourself something new and kind of make yourself feel good, because I know, especially for myself, after having a baby, my body is not the way that it used to be already. And I mean, I've never been a small girl to begin with, but my body has changed a lot, and I'm learning just to accept that and love myself the way that I am. And this definitely helps when you get some clothing that actually fits you and you feel really good in. It just helps with your self-esteem and your motivation so much more. So anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.